One of the most exciting things about Twitter is that it enables other platforms, other developers to access its data through an open API. This is why you will see mobile apps like Tweety, Twitterific, and desktop applications like Seismic all are great answers for accessing your Twitter account on the go or managing your Twitter account from a desktop application, sort of like Outlook. CodeTweet is the application that we choose to use at Smarter Social Media for a simple reason. CodeTweet is how Twitter does business. It is an easy way to manage multiple accounts and have multiple people access to post updates to any one of your accounts. As a result, you can see that CodeTweet is used by some of the biggest brands in the world, including Twitter itself. So, to get started on CodeTweet, come to the home page, click Sign Up, and you'll be asked to fill out some simple information, just like signing up for your Twitter account. Verify your email address, and then you're going to get to connect your Twitter account to your CodeTweet account using an O authorization form. And we're going to get to that in a second. But for now, I'm going to sign into my CodeTweet account and see you on the other side. So this is what it looks like when you've logged in to CodeTweet. As you can see, there are no messages currently in my inbox. I have access to look at direct messages, replies, mentions, check out my friends' updates, and look into my actual sent outbox or scheduled tweets. This comes in handy because this platform actually allows you to schedule a tweet for later in the day or later in the week. So, what accounts am I actually managing? You can see this up here. I have access to the Taskus account, which is one of our clients here at Smarter Social Media, and I have access to the Smarter Social Media account. And I can see the different people who also have access to these accounts. Now, one of the really cool things for me is that I can both tweet as an individual and tweet as a member of the Smarter Social Media team using CodeTweet. Now, I've purposely removed my personal Twitter from CodeTweet right now because I want to show you how to add an extra Twitter address to CodeTweet. So when you first sign in to CodeTweet, you will be prompted to do this, but if you need to add additional accounts, if you're going to manage one account for your business and one account for yourself as an individual, then simply come up in the upper right hand corner and click on Settings, click Twitter Accounts, and this will bring you to a page where it shows you what accounts you actually have access to and how many team members are on that account. We can see the people and the permissions, and as you can see, I'm the account owner, and I can designate people administrators on these individual accounts and invite people via their email to come and actually access the account. Now, for our purposes, we're going to go ahead and add a new account. One of the really cool things that CodeTweet gets to do to amass followers is make you automatically follow them, and in this case I'm going to choose not to do that. But you can see here that we've used 2 accounts and we have 4 more available. So on the standard unpaid version of CodeTweet, you only have 6 accounts available. So if you're managing more than that, this isn't going to be the solution for you, but usually that's enough for most people. Click Continue, and here you're going to have to enter your username and your password to allow CodeTweet to get access to your Twitter data. Now it's accessed my Twitter data, and as you can see, I've been added to my CodeTweet account. My personal Twitter has been added. So by going back to CodeTweet, we can see that the lists that I have subscriptions to, including the 140 conference and top tweeters, and an additional list that I created, my real world list, has now been ported in because my account is on this domain. Now, we've seen all these fancy doodads. It's time to actually take a look at how do I actually post a tweet from this thing. So, to do that, there's a handy little thing up here, upper right hand corner, where you can click New Update. The first thing you got to do is select which account you want to post an update from. You can choose to send via multiple accounts if you'd like to, and in this case we're going to go ahead and do that. I can choose to send the tweet now or schedule it for later, choosing a different day, a different time. For now I'm going to do send the tweet now. And if you have a URL that you want to connect, they've included an automatic URL shortener here. So if I wanted to include a link to Smarter SM, I could just do this, and it would create a co-tag URL shortener. But for our purposes, we're not going to actually insert a URL into this. We just want to say new video for Next for Small Biz on the way. And we go ahead and post that update. And that'll automatically post to both the Smarter SM and my own personal Twitter account.